Most men were taught how to fight, but not how to heal. We armor up for work, for family, for the world, but rarely for ourselves. Herbal Armor was written for that man, the one carrying stress in his shoulders, worry in his gut, and dreams he's too tired to chase. Inside these pages, you'll find what our ancestors always knew, that strength begins with stillness, that the body heals when we finally listen. That peace is protection. So sip slow, breathe deep, and build your armor one ritual at a time. Herbal Armor, a man's guide to natural wellness. Protect your peace, fortify your body, reconnect with the earth. Pick up your copy today. It's simple. Click the link and the book will download right to your device.